Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Vee Hezron, and guys, I'm in Bamburi. Now Bamburi, you can follow two ways from town. Like you can board two different matatus. You can come using Bamburi Mtambo or Bamburi Kisauni. So guys, being new here in Bamburi, I've tried to follow those two routes and I never got lost, guys. So I think I'm loving Bamburi. It has this beautiful vibe. I just never got lost. So today I decided to show you around. It's pretty easy, simple, straightforward, and it's beautiful. Bamburi is beautiful, guys. So guys, right now where I am, I don't know where I am, but I can tell you I was walking to Bamburi Cement. Actually this way is called Bamburi Mtambo because of the Bamburi cement factory that is there. So right now I'm going to just show you where I am. These are commercial and residential place. They're just so beautiful, guys. So we are going to continue walking around. I show you different places that I've seen that are extremely beautiful. Na kama unaishi Mombasa na haujafika Bamburi, I'm telling you guys, you're missing. Bamburi is beautiful. Bamburi Mtambo. It's Bamburi Mtambo. And guys, I've been here like usiku kabisa. Like I get from town at around 8, 9. I board to this place and it's safe. It's safe. Yani hakuna ile kuogopa ati nitapata inaitwa nini? Ati nitapata wezi ama wakorofi ama nini waninyang'anye simu ama nini sijapatana na hao watu. Na kama wako basi wananihurumia. So guys, if you stay here in Bamburi, you stay in a beautiful place. I've loved this place, guys. I have loved it. Like it is. Yeah, so this is Bamburi, guys. This is Bamburi Mwisho actually. So I'm walking up to that end where there is a way that goes to town and another one goes to Bamburi Kisauni. So let's walk over there, then we come back. Done. And guys, if you can see, there are a lot of businesses here. It's like a big busy place. It's beautiful. So we are going to walk to that junction there that goes to Kisauni and another one to town. This is so beautiful. So I'm thinking of getting something. Let's go. There's a chicken in there. There's chicken in. This is pizza in. There's chicken in. There are like a lot of eateries here, which is amazing. It's beautiful. There's like there are like so many clubs here. These are club, I think, called what? Doesn't have a name, but it's a club. So guys, I just seen this estate called Bustani Estate. It's so beautiful. I don't think they'll allow me to go inside, but it's extremely beautiful. Bustani Estate. This estate looks beautiful. Wait, I just saw this estate here called Bustani Estate. It looks beautiful. Wow. nini? Yeah. Yeah. There's this club people keep talking about called Samba. Oh, it's ahead there. It's not this one. I thought it was this one. It's Samba. But today is Friday. It doesn't like have a lot of people, I think. It's called Samba. I can't believe I'm walking here. Hey, mambo. Hey. Maji ni ngapi? Maji ni ngapi? Hii ni nini?
Acid na jiko.
Hii ni acid. Kwa nini unauza acid?
Nakuosha
choo. Okay. So nakula nini? Nasikia tukukula kitu. Nipe hii moja. Ni how much? 20. Sawa, nipe, wacha nikae hapo. No, I just want to sit with this guy a little bit before I proceed.
nini? Nini?
Nini kamera?
Nini?
Ya kuchukua video. Unaishi huku? Maisha ni safi huku, ni kuchip. Ni kuchip.
Maisha iko cheap huko juu kwa sababu kibanda hivi.
Okay, nikiendelea hii barabara kwenda juu, kuja hii side ni expensive. This is not like the tallest building here, but I want to show you what I'm seeing, guys. So this is how Bamburi is, guys. It's extremely beautiful. I'm trying to figure out where Mtambo is. Mtambo is that Bamburi cement. I'll find out where it is. But guys, see how Bamburi is. It is extremely beautiful. Bamburi is extremely beautiful.